Hey Wallace, this is Larry Powell with Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this video over to you as promised. Getting some information for you guys on how you can generate more leads for your business. I'm pretty sure this is your guys' website. I apologize if it's not. I saw in the contact us, there was an email with the last name Silva, and this is out of the Boston, Massachusetts area, so I'm assuming this is you guys. So just looking at your guys' site, what I wanted to do is give you guys a quick rundown of improvements you guys could make to your site that would help with your rankings and in turn generating more leads for your business. So looking at that, first thing I'm seeing is the amount of content you have on here is a little weak at the moment. So there's over 200 different ranking factors that Google looks at when determining which website has that top spot in Google search. And content is one of the easiest ones to influence. And with that, you also want to make sure that you have the correct search terms in there that you want to be found for. And you really want to make sure that those search terms have search volumes behind them that will actually generate that traffic you guys are looking for. So there's one that we're going to look at today that has 200 searches per month. So by looking at that and getting you ranked for that, it would definitely help out your guys' business. One thing, listing all of these in here like this doesn't really count as content, and it can actually come across to Google as a little bit spammy almost, just because you're just listing all the city names. Won't actually get you guys ranked for those. So that would be one thing, and then you also have like all the links down here. So definitely there's some little things you could do here and there. Having your phone number also be a click to call would definitely help you guys out as well. Not so much with rankings, but definitely with your conversions once people are getting to your guys' website. People are doing mobile search very often these days, and so to have that click to call will definitely help with your guys' conversions from people finding your guys' website from mobile devices. And then also, I haven't had a chance to look at it, but making sure your website is also mobile friendly will also help a lot as well for those mobile searches. But overall, your guys' site looks good. It's definitely a little bit of an outdated design to it, but it has the bare bones there. I would definitely recommend adding some more content though to help with the rankings. So looking at Boston house painters, this search term currently gets 200 searches per month. There is definitely some competition behind this search word, but the juice is worth the squeeze in this regard, because that's a lot of search volume you guys could be having headed towards your business. So being in the top spot for this search term, just this one, you guys could be having about 33% of that headed towards your business. So definitely a fair share, about 60 people a month just from one search term looking for house painters in Boston that you guys could be having by just ranking for that one search term. So as we're going through Google search results, there's a couple different things we're looking at here. This is just some tools I use here. So this is excuse me. This is a little different than what you would see typically, just because Google kind of does their funky stuff every once in a while. So you see Yelp here at the very top. Most of the time Yelp will not be up here. You would usually see Google paid ads. Google really prefers to rank the small business owners like Catchlight Painting, Boston Painting Company. They're going to prefer to rank these guys over a Yelp business like this, just because Yelp's in direct competition with Google ads. So Google really wants people to spend their money with them and not with Yelp. So if you have your website that is correctly built and optimized and has the correct content in there, 99% of the time you're going to rank over the top of these guys. So looking at the rest of the search results here, this is what's known as the GMB or 3-pack, and I did see that you guys had a GMB page. So getting your business in this is going to be very valuable for you guys as well. There's a couple different factors for how you get your business into this 3-pack. And the first one is what's known as citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. You can find great citation sources from websites like Yellow Book, like a free Yellow Book listing, your Facebook page, Better Business Bureau. These all count as citation sources that you can use for your business. And the more citations you have, the more likely you are to be in this 3-pack. We do have tools out there that we can go out and look and see what your competition has for citations. And then, of course, we want to do everything better than your competition. So we would make sure that we get more out there, probably 50 more or so at least, than what your competition has, just to make sure we're really, pushing you guys into this 3-pack. Another big ranking factor for how you get into this is your organic rankings. So where you sit organically in these search results also plays a lot of weight in being in this top 3. So again, we're not going to look at Yelp in this, but we are going to look at Catchlight Painting and see what they have going on with their website. So looking at their site, they do have a pretty site. It looks really nice. Content-wise, you know, they don't have a lot on there. You really want to target that 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, if not more sometimes, depending on competition. But with these guys, I would say you would definitely be good with that 1,000 to 1,500 words. But overall, their site, you know, it's not anything overly impressive that makes me think, wow, you could never pass these guys up. Very doable to outrank this website. So what we look at as far as rankings as well is what's called backlinks. And there's a tool I use called Ahrefs. And what this tool allows me to do is see the back end of a website, kind of the inner workings. The internet is built on what's called backlinks, and it's one website linking itself to another website, one business linking itself to another business. So like an example of a backlink, this would be like a link. So you could go out there and put these links like this on, you know, other websites, blogs, and by placing these on those, it actually will help move your site up in the rankings. The more mentionings you have of your website on the web, the more Google thinks that people want to see and learn about your website, so that'll help move it up in the rankings. I'm sorry if you can hear my kids crying in the background. We still have them home from school with everything going on with COVID right now. So looking at your guys' website, you currently have 100 backlinks from 44 referring domains. You're not getting any traffic to your website currently, but that doesn't mean we can't improve upon that. And this is also, you can see the current keywords you guys are ranking for and where you're ranking at. So, you know, commercial painter, painting contractors, Boston. You guys are currently sitting at 15th. There is some kind of weird stuff in here, you know, Stadium 10 Pin, Manchester, New Hampshire. I mean, there's definitely some stuff in here that we can improve upon as far as making sure that you're ranking for the correct search terms. Looking at what your competition has going on, so they have 2,300 backlinks from 167 referring domains. The referring domains is really the important part there. That means a number of websites they're actually getting these backlinks from. So they have 167 compared to your guys's, I think it was 44. And then they're, you know, 5,000 keywords they're ranking for, but they're getting 1,500 people per month to their business, just looking at their website. So there's definitely a lot of potential there for a lot of new customers coming in. And this has actually gone up. So this, you know, updates monthly. So they've had 93 more people just in this last month that have actually started looking at their website. So a lot of opportunity there for your business. If you're worried about the phone not ringing right now, this is definitely a great way to get that happening. You know, we have a lot of different options as far as generating leads for your business. Helping you get this stuff done for your website is one of those. We do have our lead generation campaigns as well, where we're able to get those leads coming in using a couple different methods, so then we're able to just pass those straight off to you. So if either of those are something you're interested in, definitely reach out. But I hope you got something out of this video, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.